Hey, how's it going today? Today I'm going to show you Project Troy, the F150 with the 302 Ford engine in it. I'm going to show you the new flywheel and clutch I bought for it. Here's the new flywheel made by Power Torque. It's an externally balanced flywheel, so it can only be mounted one way. And there's where it's mounted. And the Power Torque clutch set, which is like a dual friction clutch. See the dual friction areas, like a race clutch, with a nice pressure plate and throw out bearing, and should be an alignment tool with this too. We'll see. Yes, there is an alignment tool. Okay, everything there. Both of these together were about $340. Kind of expensive, but it's a heavy-duty clutch unit, and yeah, this should hold up to quite a bit of power, which this thing's gonna make. Quite a bit of power and torque. So, alright. Got Project Troy under the cover right now. Engine's coming along, looking good. Got the spark plugs in, got the header on, got one of the turbochargers installed, one of the turbo headers. You can look inside and see the turbo's compressor and the turbine wheel on the hot section. There you go. Turbine wheel. Yep. Oil in, oil out. I'm going to put the oil pan on and line up the oil drain lines. Coming along. Engine is coming along. Yep. Doing good. Also, look at the valve covers. Ordered some special valve covers for it. Let's take a look at these. Oh, also my intercooler hoses showed up. DNA motoring. Got my nice new intercooler hoses ready to go. Look at that. Nice and red. So I guess my engine's going to be red and blue. Kind of a neat look. Okay. Now we'll look at these nice valve covers I got for. And I need to drill some holes for the breathers. Got some nice breathers for it too. Drill some holes in these valve covers for the breathers, because they didn't come with them, but for $50 for a set of these valve covers, I'm not disappointed at all. I'm really happy with the quality of these valve covers. Look at that. Nice valve covers, nice and tall, so I can fit roller rockers if I want to. And 347 cubic inch stroker. That's a cool looking valve cover. I'm sure this engine's close enough to that anyway. Good enough. Let them wonder. Look under the hood, it looks really good. A couple turbos staring at you. It'll at least put out that kind of power. Hell, it'll put out a lot more than a stock or a NA38. It'll put out some good power. Yep, spark plugs are installed. Rocker Rocker arms are installed. Cover this engine up a bit. Yep, coming along. There's the 383 block. And there's small block Ford book and Mahle gaskets for the build, for the Ford build. I've got gaskets also for this 383 build, as well as all the rotating assembly. There's the oil pan, water pump, timing cover, some other random parts. So, Project Troy is coming along. I also ordered a steering wheel and a wheel kit for it, because the steering wheel on this thing's ugly as hell, just like on the Chevy truck. So, hope you like this video. Hope you like this video update on Project Troy, and things are coming along. Have a great day, and please subscribe. Bad boosting.